Hey traders, David Frost, and this video was designed for the traders who are waiting on some information, some results from the Lazy Swing Trader product. So as a result, what we're going to do in this video real quick is go over what the product is. It's for swing trading. It's for traders that want either quick swing trades that take even a couple of days or less, and in some cases, they'll take a couple of weeks or more. We have something for everybody. There are stock trades, there are short trades, there are options trades, there are exchange traded fund trades. We're limited to nothing. In a moment, I'm going to show you with the exact results that have already taken place. We're going to go over the numbers. We'll bring up a few charts just to show you a visual of what happened. This way, it gives everybody a clear picture of exactly what this is and whether or not it's something for them. First, we have to discuss the problem that exists. Most traders and investors have no idea what they're doing and rely on others to do it for them. The problem is, sometimes we have a miss on who we choose as the other. There's a lot of information out there. You just have to be sure that you're listening to or reading from the correct source. About the solution, well, the way I see it, the solution comes in two forms. Solution A and B. A is teach traders how the market works, how to find trade setups, including profit targets and stops. You get that from me every single day. We post videos on YouTube after the market closes, and there's obviously the Lazy E-mini Trader course that many of you taken that teaches you the foundation of how the market works. Solution B is to give traders my swing trades painting by the numbers. This way you get the best of both worlds. Traders have been asking for me to launch a swing trading service for a long time. Here it is. How does it work? It's very simple. Stocks hit a target from my watch list. I send an email out immediately. We enter the trade. We wait for the reaction, monitor the results, and rinse and repeat over time. What are the results? That's what we're waiting for. The swing trading service launched around mid-April. At the point of this video, it's been open for about 2 months, so I think that's a sufficient beta test. It hasn't been offered to anybody. I posted it on the login page to where members go view the courses or inside the numbers. If they found it, they found it. That was considered my beta test. In the 2 months' time, we've had 19 trades entered. We've had 12 trades exit. Of those 12 exits, there was 1 loss, 1 tie, and 10 wins. Of the trades that are still open, and I'm not going to show them here because they're still open, a handful are down a few percentage points, a handful are up a few percentage points. That's just the way it works. We have to wait for them to work out at times. The first one on the list was Carnival. You saw from the list, the entry date was the 20th of May, right here. It immediately went up. Nice trade. Here's the next one on the list. This was another quick hit. The entry was on that day at 83.95. Low of day was 83.90. Couple days later, it's up at 90 bucks. A lot of you like to trade DraftKings. Here's the average cost of a couple of entries on DraftKings, $43.97. We trade exchange traded funds. Here's the entry on GDX at that number on that day. What does an alert look like? Well, it depends on what's going on. It depends on what type of an alert. But I'll do as much as possible for the benefit of the members. Here's an example of a short trade opportunity that was forthcoming in Cisco. This happens to be an open trade. I said I wasn't going to do that, but so what? You can't enter the trade now. It's too late. But what I did here is I told traders what was coming into a number on the watch list. I can see the writing on the wall. They're headed to a destination. I put the information up on the board. 55.30 was the first entry target. The trade alert was sent the day before the entry target hit. It was sent on the 10th. The target hit on the 11th. The high of day was 55.35. 55.30 was the number posted on the board. As I make this video, Cisco is paying traders that took the short trade either with the stock or with puts. Either way, it's working as prescribed. We take suggestions in the suggestion box. You can send them via email. The goal is to make the product and service continually better over time. I'm David Frost, Lazy Swing Trader.